Decision on whether to continue distributing the Johnson & Johnson vaccine could come this week. Rollout of the one-shot vaccine was put on hold in Colorado and nationally after rare blood clots were found in 6 women who had received a vaccine. Now, 1 woman did die. Federal advisory panel is set to discuss the potential risk on Friday. A Colorado Springs clinic tasked with providing COVID vaccinations is shut down and under investigation tonight. This comes amid concerns that the Dr. Moma Health and Wellness Clinic may have improperly stored and handled doses, forcing thousands to be re-vaccinated. Our Rick Salinger joins us live tonight in the Springs. And Rick, the woman who runs the clinic is now under intense scrutiny.
Well, she is, Karen. We came down here today expecting Dr. Moma to answer questions at a news conference. Instead, a supporter of hers read a statement, and we literally cornered Dr. Moma afterwards. Her name is Dr. Sylvie Nash Moma, born in Cameroon, West Africa, now the center of a firestorm in Colorado. Inspectors entered her clinic and found people without masks and no social distancing. They also found syringes and a bowl with vials in it. Inspectors said there was no log of the storage conditions.
We would like to address the allegation raised by the CDPHE against Dr. Moma Health and Wellness Clinic. These allegations speak to the quality of care, building and equipment safety, and lack of compliance with statutes and regulations.
Dr. Moma claimed in an online post that the inspectors did not ask how long the vaccines had been out of cold storage. She also said 95% of the workers there were state-appointed.
If it hadn't been for other people waiting in line, I would have not gone in the clinic.
Darcy Stricker was one of those who received a vaccination. Like her, all the others who got their vaccines here have been informed they must have them redone.
I know they're talking about doing a 3rd vaccination in a year, but this will be 21 days out.
Dr. Moma, who is not an MD, was apologetic. What do you say to the people that have to get vaccinated again?
Excuse me, guys.
Right now, you follow CDC guidelines and the recommendations that have been made.
Dr. Moma has a doctorate in nursing practice, according to her website. She did not want to talk about the specific allegations while this investigation is continuing. Live in Colorado Springs, Rick Salinger, covering Colorado First.